getting to the top of anything is only half of the battle. You got to get down, and it's always coming down when well, not always, but often it's when you're descending that things go wrong.
3, 2, 1, rope! Okay, Jim, what we've done is we've tied a knot in the end of the rope, so that if the rope's not long enough to reach the ground, you're not going to disappear off the end of your rope. You will actually get caught in that. Break it up into 2 coils like that, so it's easier to unravel as you chuck it over the edge, and then you warn the people below. If there's anybody below, this can knock off blocks of ice, and they might be looking up, coming unexpectedly. Rope below!
A lot of climbing accidents have happened from people descending on a rope and the rope doesn't reach the bottom. So the rope is hanging maybe 60 feet in the air and they disappear off the end of their rope. Once you're tired, once you're coming off the mountain, you're exhausted, you're not thinking properly, and tying a knot isn't a habit for you. You chuck the rope down and you're not thinking as you go down. You're more concentrated, I need to get off, I need to get out of here, and you abseil or rappel off the end of your rope.
The challenge is getting to the top, and you see that as being over. But one of the things that I like to emphasize is it's not about conquering a mountain, it's about the experience of being out there from start to finish.
Watch out below!
Here we go.
There we go.
Nice!
You need to stay focused and attentive. You're responsible 100% of the time. Yeah.
Okay, got you. Okay, 0, safe the belt!
For me as a guide, you're done when you're no longer in my charge, because my responsibility is ended. And until that established time period is concluded, then I'm on 100% of the time, 24 hours a day. Some of the considerations at the end of the day when setting up a base are light conditions, are climatic conditions as well. You always have one eye on the weather and what situation you're going to be in next. You always have to think ahead and be proactive.
Would that work there?
Oh, nice view, but I think we might want to go for a little more shelter.
It's a little bit exposed.
Yeah.
Okay.
This weather's coming in quickly.
Maybe down there.
Down over there would be good. It's a little bit sheltered. There's not too much snow, and we're not right in the trees, which isn't a fire hazard, which is great.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's get the stove going.
Oh yeah, let's get the tents up. I can probably set up a tent here. You think you can put yours in there, Jay?
Yeah, let's get over there.
Okay.
Let's do it.
When you go into a camping situation, you have to figure out what equipment have you got available to you and how can you use it. The ultimate basics of camping is you want to have food, and you want to be warm, and you want to be safe. Those are the 3 basic things. How you do that is going to depend on what situation and what equipment you've got.
So you can give me some. So do you have a map of what tomorrow's going to look like?
That's in my bag. Actually, no, I brought that with me. If this comes in and it's a blizzard, I think we need to start looking at getting out. But we've just done the ice climbing in this section of the peak, and we camped down here. So we've got the choice tomorrow. If we want to go and do another summit, we're going to be walking down this valley and up this ridge line, climbing stuff that we were climbing similar to today, and heading for the summit over here.
I would like to continue. That would be great.
Getting hooked on ice climbing, are you?
I am. You did it to me. You gave me the bug, the ice bug.
You need to process the whole trip of what you're doing, what your objective is, and what you want to achieve on that trip, and what to do if things go wrong.